Good morning, welcome to today's video. You right?
I felt better, I'll be honest.
Good morning. It's 5 AM and this is the 15th edition of HotChillee's London Paris. Doing it on a fixed gear. Stupid.
Clever boy.
How many beers did you have last night?
I think we were carried 8 or 9, I'm not sure.
7.
You can't finish on an odd number, so it must
8.
have been 8.
Yeah, I can't finish on an odd number. It's got to. Yeah.
So HotChillee run the oldest and biggest London to Paris event. I came along last year and did it on a normal bike. I thought this year it would be funny to do it on fixed. We've done a few climbs and descents now and I'm regretting it. What I've realised is that the descents are just as hard as the climbs. I mean, it's a good way to get fit, right? We've reached a water stop, about 50 k's in, I think. Today's stage has got one very significant hill in, some of you might have heard of it, it's called the Wall. I think it averages about 15% at points, so it's going to be a bit of a struggle getting up in this gear. Running a 49-16, spinning out on the downhills, struggling on the uphills. What's not to love? You stopped riding so hard on the front?
I wasn't.
You only got one gear?
I wasn't.
Everyone slow down, especially you lot.
I was riding nice and steady, but these young whippersnappers from the Backstead HotChillee, they're quite fast. So
I'm going to put a complaint into Maggie.
Yeah. I'm going to complain that it's much better when there's someone old on the front with me.
How's your hangover?
Oh, no hangover today. What? Wonderful.
No, all gone now.
Tony's is all on his back now.
Yeah, I've seen this. Sweatiest back I've ever seen.
Is it human waterfall behind you?
Is it?
Yeah. I remember that guy on the Cape Brûlée.
Turn around.
One of IB's mates.
Yeah. Weird, isn't it? Yeah, so sweaty. But not anywhere else on you. Just your back. So, I've recruited someone to push me up Kids Hill because I don't think I can physically get up here in this gear. You can help me.
I'm the recruited.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying to be nice at the moment. I will avoid Francis and then laugh at him while he tries to climb hill. But the problem is you'll probably beat me.
Wow, I'll sprint you at the end.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I'm happy with the sunglasses choice that you've gone for.
They're a bit big. The only reason I got them is because they ride Captain Colour. Okay.
But they're not really cycling glasses. It's a crime.
They did
Also,
say cycling on the
straps under sunglasses.
Yeah.
No, straps under.
They are, aren't they?
No.
Oh, how'd that happen?
The straps of the helmet got to go underneath.
I thought it was. Yeah, no.
Oh, you've done it wrong again. Still don't like it. Okay.
There's a lot going on my ear. I've got straps and radio. And
Oh yeah. He had his sunglasses underneath his helmet straps.
Have I?
Yeah, you're fine. You're pro, mate. You're good.
Right.
Yeah. I thought there was something wrong with something. Yeah, exactly. All right, you've redeemed yourself.
Marginally.
You owe me less K's of pushing now.
Less K's.
You may remember in previous editions of these videos, I pushed Tony over 100 kilometres in the Argus in South Africa because his crank fell off. He's just repaid the favour, slightly, up Kids Hill because that gear was way too big to get up that hill.
If you come with a fixie, it's going to be hard.
And whose fault is that?
Mine. Yours.
Oh, you got a weird boob sweat.
Yeah, I always sweat like that. It's nice to see you pushing Tony again up that hill.
Oh yeah.
Where were you?
I was waiting for you.
And then when you did come back, you held his shoulder back.
That's what I
You were
normally do.
No,
Slow me down.
Yeah, I do.
He was just up the road.
I feel a lot better now.
I actually feel sober again right now.
Have you been drunk all morning?
I think so.
How are you?
Francis, how are you? Yeah.
Got biscuit.
Are they vegan?
Why did I give her that?
Is it still not white? It's still 9 o'clock in the morning.
I know, this is when you should be waking up.
Why did we get up so
I haven't
early?
slept yet.
What?
I wasn't out, but wow, it wasn't hard to. That's good. I'll tell you what happened later.
Oh. Not for the internet.
Not now.
Be my eyes and ears and let you in on the night you scratched and screamed out wide. I'm smarter.
Lunch. Can confirm this is getting quite hard now. Lunch is good, man. Your lunch isn't big enough though.
Yeah, I'll go back for more.
Please, sir. Can I have some more? No.
Okay.
That's good there because my head's sort of out the sun.
Yeah, you can't put your head in the sun.
No, because otherwise I look like a brown duck egg or something with a bit of tomato on top.
Cheers, mine.
Gasson. Gasson.
They do beer Moretti in Grafton there, and I looked and I was
They do Guinness.
There is part of me that says we've done 110. We could just call it a day.
110 is quite respectable, but it
I
is
can ride back
before
to my
midday.
house from here in 40 minutes.
Had a good time? No. Feel hungover?
I don't know if it's coming back.
You look good. You look strong.
Hold, take hold. Late night tales. Daybreak.
Right, we've got about 25k to go. It's getting hot. I'm just drinking loads and loads of water now.
We've just done a deal with the medic. She's going to get a nice bucket. I'll buy the beer. We're going to leave a bucket of beer in the van for tomorrow.
Yummy.
You got a weird nipple. Square.
The other one's square as well, it's just ingrowing.
Oh.
Tired now.
Tony hasn't got any nipples.
You haven't got any, you haven't got nipples.
Three.
He probably covers them with his straps.
He's not excited enough yet.
There you go. 160k's done. Fixed gear. 170k's done. Fixed gear. Could have done without the last 10k. Legs, bit sore. Hands, very sore. Like, even though 8 Bar have done these pretty cool hoods you can hold on to without actually having a brake hood. It's still not quite as comfortable as sitting on a road bike like that, but I've got to say, bike held up well.
Finally!
I'm not drinking.
What?
I'm not drinking.
Just have a cider.
You've just ridden 100. We've got to ride 100.
This is our second one.
Exactly.
It's really refreshing.
You've got that.
Apparently, it's the new one. It's called black fruit cider.
No.
And it tastes like juice.
So the way London Paris works, there's 6 groups in total. 6 being the slowest one and 1 being the fastest. Today we were in Group 1. In Group 1 there's kids from the Baxted development team. They are very fast, so they were pushing the pace loads and loads, which made my job quite difficult riding the fixed gear, but good training. It's your first time doing Group 1. This is a great angle.
Thank you.
It makes you look very mighty.
Thank you. Hold on.
I said, hold on. You're beating the game. Turn the corner. There's no way to see. He wouldn't be so hot if he wasn't wearing tights.
The corner just before the top.
Kids these days, eh?
You guys have just been on here. How hot is it?
It's way too hot.
It's because you're wearing tights.
Recovery, all about recovery.
No, nothing bad will happen.
Pull that.
They just do it now. They just say buy one get one free. So we thought we'll double up.
Go big or go home.
Oh, did the buy one get one free just started, didn't it? Happy hour?
Literally just started 1 week on.
They must have known that you was coming in and it was happy hour. Oh look, Tony's here, let's make it happy hour.
You having a go at us for getting beers? It's supposed to be an athlete. It's supposed to be an athlete. That's not my favourite.
This has been bought to share.
I'm going to tell Big Maggie. I'm going to send him a message now. So first stage, London Paris, complete. 160k's. Towards the end there, that did get pretty hard. I think the heat today was the biggest issue. Because I was riding fixed gear, I was having to pedal downhill very, very quickly at a high cadence. And that meant I wasn't getting that nice break when you do actually freewheel down a hill. I was getting hotter and hotter, and it was quite difficult to deal with. I ended up chucking like bidons over myself. I was having flashbacks from America. The route today, as always, was quite technical. Lots of quite steep up and downs and twisty country lanes, so it is always quite difficult to film those conditions. Tomorrow's stage is even longer. It's 180 kilometers. Most of the route is rolling. There's a couple of climbs, but nothing like we did today. So it's probably going to take us a similar amount of time to complete. I'm going to get some much needed sleep. Thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.